Welcome to the installation guide for the Wallshll system, a concealed anchoring solution designed for quick and efficient panel installation. This system not only anchors the panels securely, but also conceals the anchors for a clean, streamlined appearance. Let's begin the installation process. First, calibrate the wall flatness and mark the uneven parts. Then confirm the location of the starter track and mark it with a spirit level. Mark the position, and then proceed to measure and cut the starter track according to the required length for each section. Once your starter track is cut, align it with a marked horizontal line and securely install it with screws. Next, measure and mark the panel dimensions before cutting along the marked lines. Don't forget to seal all cut areas with exterior primer to ensure durability. We installed the panel from the bottom up, making sure the clips were securely fastened to prevent any movement. For the outer corner, the panels are cut at a 45 degrees angle using a specialized cutter and then installed. When working around windows, install the support board on both the window head and windowsill. Apply the EPDM strip, followed by structural adhesive, to attach the panels. Finally, for the panel joint treatment, fill vertical panel joints and inner corner areas with foam or joint strip and apply sealant to ensure a tight, weatherproof seal. With these simple steps, your Wallshll system will be securely and professionally installed. For a more detailed installation process and specific instructions, please refer to the corresponding installation manual. Thank you for choosing the Wallshll system.